The road condition are okay because the bouncing too much. I've been riding the Kpatawee road because my own are remote and you can pass by, but I go going Kpatawee yesterday. Say I came from it because of the accident. We will also bring development, and then customer will flow because they will be thinking that the road not spoil again. Okay, so people will want more on our road. I just want to encourage.
Hello television viewers around the world. Welcome to the road trip to Kpatawee Waterfall. My name is Patrick Matot Reid. The road trip to Kpatawee Waterfall is designed to get the views and comments from road users who have used this muddy and rocky road that lead towards Liberia's tourism fortress. When the government of Liberia paved this 30 kilometers of road with what we call quota or concrete, what would it be for them? Together with my colleagues Alan Weah, Edme Yassier, Gemini Genimpo, Victoria Wewer, and William Bernard, we are going to travel along this road from Phoebe Hospital Junction to the Kpatawee Waterfall. This program is brought to you on South Liberia Online TV and is proudly sponsored by a Liberian journalist, Mr. Ase Gayeson Reid Sr. Let's take a break and be back to give you the brief insight of the road trip to Kpatawee Waterfall. Welcome back. My name is Patrick Matot Reid, and along with me are Alan Weah, Victoria Wewer, Gemini Genimpo, Edme Yassier, and William Bernard. With a brief insight of the road trip to Kpatawee Waterfall. Kpatawee is located in central Liberia and is about 30-minute drive from Banga, the capital city of Bon County, and is approximately 4-hour drive from Monrovia, the capital city of Liberia. The waterfall is among the top 10 sites for tourist attraction. On the road trip to the Kpatawee Waterfall, we are going to speak with the road user, the farmers, and the tourists if we can find some. We are also going to speak with the local government officials and business people that are on ground. Let's take a break and be back with the views and voices of the people on the road trip to the Kpatawee Waterfall. My name is Patrick Matot Reid.
Benefit the community because when people come from the community, they want to go or they go Kpatawee, they will not have no pain, they will not have no hard time on the back or in the car.
Because I'm going to take the whole day to what I do. I will better in many ways. Boy, I'll be going down. I will scream myself. I'll go there easily and what I want to get, I get it. I will scream myself. So I get it for me, I'll get it.
Well, Phoebe Junction to Kpatawee, the road is not good. The road is very, very bad. Because of that, we can pay more transportation to even leave here to go to Swakoko market. We can pay plenty of money. We used to pay $100. 150, but now we don't have 350. I can go to the market because the road condition.
The national government should come and help us to save the life of our people, especially of the cyclists, because if the road is paved.
That bring for a part over there. I'm again here, but over do it. I know. I did.
Local Liberia Online Television is joining the Paved Kpatawee advocacy by calling on the central government, the representatives, the superintendent and senators to prioritize the pavement to boost tourism, create job opportunity, and increase revenue. Thanks for viewing and listening, and have a wonderful day.
Boy.